Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a Wantable unboxing and it's a themed one and I can't remember what it is, so it doesn't say on the box, so I'm going to be just as surprised as you are. Yeah, it doesn't say. So let's get into it. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, I'll leave a description down below and I'll leave my referral code too if you'd want to use that. I don't know if it gives you any credit. It would give me credit if you use it, so you know, transparency. It's down there if you want to. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver and we're gonna open the box. So here we go. I swear, it works just as well, if not better, than scissors because you're not gonna cut yourself with it either. If you do though, it's rusty, so I mean, tetanus, I suppose. All right, we're flipping the box over. I'm gonna break those boxes down after I film this because why not? If you're wondering where I got this lovely sweater, I just got it at Kohl's last night with my friend Autumn. So here it is. Dun, dun, dun. I hadn't been to Kohl's in a really long time. This is from the juniors department, and you know, being a woman in the juniors department, I just size up because juniors clothes are meant to fit juniors people. So, you know, things are a little more straighter, a little more, you know, smaller. So I just size up. So try it out. All right, here's our bundle. Let's see. Oh, I didn't peek at all, you guys. Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. I didn't even know I was going to get it today, honestly. I thought it was going to be a couple more days. So here we go. All right, so they send you 7 items. It's going to be in the description below, but they send you 7 items. If this is your first time here, hello. And it is, okay, so it is the Cozytober edit. As I'm filming this, it is October. This probably won't go up till first week in November, but they have all the different themed edits. So let's read our note. Hi Rachel, happy Cozytober. It's time to cancel your plans. They're already all canceled. Because this limited time edit is packed with pieces perfect for staying in, snuggling up, and sipping on a pumpkin spice latte. Yum! That's what it says. I had so much fun styling you today with cozy, cool fall fashion in so soft textures that will make you feel beautiful all autumn long. I also kept your preferred price points in mind, thank you, without sacrificing style or comfort. Thank you, because Wantable is pricier. Can't wait to hear what you think. Leave me a note at self-checkout, and if you feel like sharing some Cozytober love, share pics on Instagram using the hashtag #IamWantable. And if you feel like, share some Cozytober love. There's some punctuation things in there, but it's fine. Enjoy, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate you mentioning that you kept my price points kind of in mind. They send you the envelope to send back in the mail, which you don't want to keep. The back of the style note is the you know, items with their prices. We'll go over at the end. First up, we have some jewelry. Let's take a look. I'm really excited because I didn't cheat this time. Let's see. Oh, those are so pretty. Wantable is a $20 styling fee, and if you can't find any clothes you like in what they send, they usually will send you a piece of jewelry, and it's usually great. I'm going to take these out and show you. I'm going to try to be efficient, you guys. I know I say that every time, but it doesn't always work out. I love them. Look how pretty those are. It's like kind of like a marble top and gold bottom. Or abalone, I should say. Yeah, those are really pretty. I like those. Maybe I'll put those in later because I'll probably keep them as long as the price is good. You know, clean them with alcohol and stuff first. And after. Alright, next we have a long sleeve purple top, it looks like. It has a hood. I am not a huge hood person, but on a thin kind of like top like this, I don't think it would bother me. And it looks like it has a twist in the front. So that's really cute. I do like purple. That looks really comfy cozy, like Cozytober. Here's another hood. Well, it's cozy. Okay, here's another long sleeve kind of sweatshirty top, t-shirty sweatshirt top. It has the pocket for your hands and it does have a hood, and both of these are very, very, very soft, I will say. Very soft. Super soft. And next up, oh, this is the, okay, This is by 78 and Sunny. It has a very wide neck. Very, very soft. It looks like it's that brushed knit material. And cuffs. What's the front? Yeah, so just kind of like a sweatshirt material. It's by that 78 and Sunny, which they will usually send like the t-shirts with the words and stuff on them that I like. So very cute as well. Also by 78 and Sunny, just like a baseball tee, kind of staying in. I like the teal. It is pretty thin. I don't know if you can see that. Just okay. That one's just okay. More excited about the other ones so far. And we have just like a little, also by 78 and Sunny. So they must be a better price point that I like. Just a little black cropped t-shirt. Go cute with some, go well with some sweatpants, you know, some high-waisted sweatpants, high-waisted jeans even. You know, basic cropped black tee. And lastly, what are you? It's a lot of material happening. Huh. Are you a robe? What are you? So everything has a hood. I guess I can write my note to Michelle that I'm not huge on hoods, but it is the Cozy Edit. So this is like a cardigan with a hood. It has ribbed cuffed sleeves. It has pockets. It is very, very long. Very long. Is it like kind of like a house coat kind of thing, I would say? I don't know. We'll see what they describe it as afterwards. But nice teal brush knit. Really kind of heavy. My arm kind of hurts now from holding it up. I'm not going to lie. I'm weak, okay? Alright. I just noticed I kind of match with my little pumpkin guy over here because it's fall now. Did you notice the cactus was gone? It's fall time. Here's a pumpkin. Let's try things on. And if you wanted to see the top from Kohl's, here it is. Real cute. Little slit on the side. It's hard to say. There's the back. Has that nice cute little like mock neck. Adorable. I got it in another color too. Not gonna lie, I'll probably wear it in my next video. Here's the first two items. This is very cozy. It is perfect for a Cozytober box. Here's the cropped t-shirt under it. I think it's a little too cropped for my liking, but I do like this sleeve length. But these are like some really high-waisted jeans and I have a cami on under and I think it's just no. But it is real comfy, but you could probably, you know, get that anywhere. This is very heavy. It is a pretty color. I really like the color of it. Has pockets. Let me show you how long it is. It goes all the way to my knees. I'm 5'4", for reference. Oh God. I have so much PTSD, real time, from my camera falling, that every time I angle it, I get scared. But here's the length. It has a nice, you know, slit right there too. I think if it didn't have a hood, I would like it more. Because, I don't know, I just feel like, let me bring you back up. I just feel like when I have a hood on, I just feel like weighed down back here. And I don't know. Like, I don't know how it's supposed to lay. I guess just like that. I don't like how the seam shows right here. I know I'm being picky. And honestly, this is probably like $68, I'm guessing. I don't know yet because we haven't gone over prices, but it is really comfy cozy. Gotta say, super cozy. I do like the sleeves. Sleeve length is great. I can see just like kind of putting this on. Like I feel like it's a robe, you know? I feel like it's a robe, basically. But it is cute. You can throw this on and use this as like your outerwear layer if you're going outside, going somewhere. Here's first two items. Let's try on something else. Here's the baseball tee. It's okay. Oh, I just knocked the shirt off. I feel like the neckline is kind of, you know, like a stretched out kind of neckline. I like this color though. I think that's a really pretty color. It's just not me. And that's not me. No, it's just not me. I'm not a baseball tee kind of person. So I'll leave that in my note to Michelle as well for feedback. But it is comfy. It's living up to the Cozytober name. Let's try on the next one. Here is the next top. If it were in a different color, maybe. It's very soft. I don't like this area here because it's light. I think it just shows everything. I think you would have to kind of like tuck it in maybe. And that's better. But the neckline is okay. I feel like it could be like an off-the-shoulder one, but I don't do off-the-shoulders. Just because I don't like it. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel natural. But it's really, really soft. Everything has been soft and cozy. It's just not me. I've been listening to the Mean Girls soundtrack, and there's a song on there that has that kind of phrase in it. That's not me. Pretty color. It is a pretty color. I just don't like the way it fits, I would say, I guess. So, next two. Okay, I like this one. This one is nice. If I were to keep one thing so far, it's going to be this. It's basic, I know, but it's cozy. And it's light gray, which I like. I like dark gray too. It has the strings here, which I also like, even though it has a hood. It's kind of like a smaller hood. Well, not when you put it on. It feels like a smaller hood. Like when it's, you know, in the back. It doesn't feel like it's weighing me down, which is why I don't like hoods. So I think that's cute. I like that. It has a slit on the side, theme of the day, and it's really soft, really soft. I like this one. This is a keeper so far, as long as it's not an outrageous price. Let's try on the last top. Dun-dun-dun. I feel like I'm doing a countdown. Last top. Here's the last one. I already forgot that it had this twist in the front, so I was surprised all over again when I put it on. So here it is. I did not notice this seam down the center before, and I'm not sure how I feel about that because there's no seam in the back. Why couldn't they put the seam in the back? But it has a hood as well. We'll put that up, see if it's just, see, this one's a shorter one. Shorter hood. I think I like the gray better because the gray had a place for my hands too. I think if this didn't have the seam down the middle, I would like it more. But it is a pretty color. But I think I would wear the gray one more. It was cozier too. This one's a little bit thinner, which is good for layering. But I don't layer that much. I don't know. I just don't. So, all right. Those are all the clothes, and I think I'll put the earrings on to go over the prices. Here they are. Here is everything. Prices. Okay, here's the earrings. Here are the earrings. I'm zooming in. Here they are. I think they're super cute. I think they're a good size. I have seen some like this at like Target and stuff, so depending on how much they are. These feel really good quality though. They are pretty heavy, but not too heavy. This one hair, you guys. Depending on how much they are, they might be a keeper. Oh, hello. So it just depends. Just depends. Long story short, let's get like the light back to where I want it. Maybe. Okay. They're really cute. They're cute. Okay. Prices. Did I zoom out too much? You guys, real time. Real time. Real time. Real time. Okay. The Hassie Pocket Hoodie in Heather Gray, the one that I like, $59. Of course you are. I do have some credit though, so thank you everyone, you know, who signed up using my link. I really appreciate it. It helps me get more boxes because, you know, stuff adds up. Helps me keep making videos. The Brush Twist Front Hoodie in Eggplant W by Wantable, $58. The Newport Crop Tee in Black, $34. That's by 78 and Sunny. The Monterey One Shoulder Top in Blush by 78 and Sunny, $59. The Solid Yummy Hoodie Cardigan in H Green is W by Wantable. It's $59. So that huge cardigan is the same price as the gray one, but I just don't think I'd wear the cardigan much. The Anaheim Baseball Tee in Heather Gray by 78 and Sunny, $42. And these White Resin Half Moon Earrings by Panacea, $34. I do like them. I don't know, you guys. I do like them a lot. They look cute with this shirt too. Ah, decisions to make. I do really like this though, so I think I am gonna keep this. I think I am. Maybe I'll think on these. They feel really nice, but yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this Cozytober Wantable edit. Again, you know, if you want to try it, there's a description below and all that stuff. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. And it's really a fall day here today. So I'm glad I got this sweater the other day from Kohl's. Maybe I'll link it down below if I remember to. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.